Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to animate anything you want using the Animate formula and any animation software you like. In my case, I will be using CrazyTalk Animator 3. The first thing you need to start animating is get a reference. For my case, I will use this line test of some awesome martial art kicks. Then in CrazyTalk Animator 3, I import the character, already rigged and ready to be animated. Then I open YouTube to see the first pose, and I position my character like that. Then I count how many frames I need to move the playhead so my animation has the exact same timing as the reference I am copying from. Then I see the character in the anticipation for the first kick, and I duplicate that pose in CrazyTalk, moving the bones of my character as needed. Then I check the kick in my reference and duplicate that pose in CrazyTalk, and so on. It is super simple. All you have to do is check each of the poses, measure the number of frames you need between poses, and duplicate those poses in any animation software you like. You can even do this frame by frame with a pencil and paper, just like I did with this pencil test, copying the kicks from an anime character fighting with another character. Easy enough, right? So in summary, all you need to do for each pose is check the reference, count the number of frames between each pose, and pose your character exactly as in the reference. And depending on your software, you will have the in-between frames automatically created for you thanks to the interpolation between keyframes. Great, and then you end up with an animation like this. Now, if you already know how to use your preferred software, or in this case you already know how to use CrazyTalk Animator, then this tutorial is all you need to know to get it going and do this on your own with any reference you want. But if you are a total beginner, you can subscribe to our crash course, Animate a Ninja in CrazyTalk Animator 3. Inside you will find almost 3 hours of content in which I go in depth on each of the steps required to create this animation, step by step, super detailed. So if you're just starting in animation and want to learn how to do this step by step, then enroll now. See you inside.